back to my channel. I wanted to get this video out before baby number 2, our little boy, is coming. So everything is about 95% ready, but I figured I'll just film it right now. That way I know I can film it and get it edited and up before he comes, which is very soon. But I wanted to show you his nursery. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. There are a couple of little things that we still need to do. We're going to put Ellie's glider, her chair from her room, in his room, but we're just waiting till kind of the last minute. We're gonna do kind of a chair shuffle. One of the chairs from the living room are gonna go in her room, and then the new baby's gonna get her old glider. So for now, we just have a dining chair in the place of it, holding its spot. But let me show you around his room. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's very simple and kind of like a little bit of a coastal-ish vibe. Just, I don't know, neutral with pops of blue. And I'm just so happy with how it turned out. So let me show you around. So first is this new rug that we got. This is a Laloy. I think I'm saying that right. And I can pop a picture of the tag on the screen right now if you're interested in like which exact one this is. But I've been loving their rugs. They're just like, they're nice and thin, and I like the traditionalness of it, but then the print itself is like a little bit more modern, and I like the colors that they come in. So got this one and I'm really happy with it. I think this is a 5x7 and it fits pretty well in his room. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I am like, what am I, almost 38 weeks pregnant now, 37 and something. So I am just out of breath. But this is his crib. It is a Delta children's crib. It's part of the Essex collection. Everything that I can link, I'll link down below, but I'll also just mention like where I got it from. This was off Amazon, but I know Target carries it as well. His sheets are Burt's Bees Baby. I always really liked the Burt's Bees sheets for Ellie. They're nice and soft. They're like that jersey cotton. This is a Boppy Lounger, and I have a changing pad cover over it, which, you know, use at your own risk. And then this pretty picture, I believe it's, I don't know if it's Threshold or if it's part of Studio McGee or not, but it's from Target. And I just like the simplicity of it. It's just like a nice, calm picture. I think it looks really nice in the room. It looks nice over his crib. And this is a Barefoot Dreams dupe just from Home Goods. It's that Cupcakes and Cashmere brand. Just a nice little baby blanket. Ellie has one of these and she's using it now as her blanket at nighttime. So I saw this one in the neutral color, so I picked that up for him. And this just is my pile of stuff to bring to the hospital when we're ready. My bag, his bag, some toiletries. There's actually nothing in that bag, but Steven will have to pack his bag too. I do still need to steam the curtains whenever I get a chance. Probably, I don't know, probably a couple months from now I'll get a chance. But these are the Pillow Fort blackout curtains from Target, and then the blinds are what have been in here. They're in our whole house. They're from Amazon. And then the black rods, where did I get those? I have to look at my order history. I apologize. I forget if they're Target or Amazon. And then we've had this lamp forever. It was actually my husband's when he bought the house. I think he bought it at Home Goods or something. But I did just recently get this little end table from Target. It's really cute. It's like a little bit heavier than you would think, but looks like nice quality. I'm pretty sure it's Studio McGee. Kind of gives me those like coastal vibes, so I thought it would look nice in here. We did the same baby monitor as we have for Ellie, the infant optics. We've been happy with it, so we just got a second monitor and hung it up over there on the wall. Like I said, the chair will go here. We have the Paxson chair from Pottery Barn Kids, a little basket of books. And then this is my husband's idea, actually, to get one of these cube organizers because we have such a like big open space over here. So this is actually working out. Well, I say it's working out. It's like he's not even here yet, but I think this will work out well for storage. I still need to clean all the bottles and set up the hatch But in these bins down below, I have like all his clothes of like future sizes that I've gotten things on clearance and things that I've accumulated. So I have, I think 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 12, and then just like anything else. So like those are all, there's only like a couple things in each bucket, especially like there's like barely anything in those. But just if I accumulate anything or if I get any hand-me-downs from people, I've just been putting all of his older clothes in those bins because actually in that closet, I keep all of my dresses because we are so limited on closet space in our house, and there was no other place to keep my dresses. So unfortunately, he's not going to have that closet for now until we kind of shuffle things around a little bit more. But for now, this will work out just fine. So he'll have those bins, and then all of his current clothes, newborn and 0 to 3, are in this dresser, along with his swaddles. I'll show you what's in here. Sorry, I'm out of breath, guys. I'm sure it's really annoying to listen to me huffing and puffing. But here are all his Burt Braggs. We did the Burt's Bees Burt Braggs again. I really liked those with Ellie. These are copper pearl Burt Braggs, which are super nice. Copper pearl bandana bibs. Love these. These worked out so well with Ellie, along with the Burt's Bees over the head bibs. So I really liked those too. My husband liked these. I didn't really like these. These are ones that a lot of people like these, though, off of Amazon, the muslin ones. I don't know. I don't love them, but we have a few of them. Here's our little diaper caddy from Skip Hop. We have the exact same one for Ellie. Exact same wipe dispenser from OXO. Got some little diapers in there. Got the same exact changing pad. Honestly, if it wasn't broken, I didn't fix it. I got a lot of repeat things for him that I had for Ellie that worked well. There's some things that I feel like maybe I tried something different, but if I liked it, I just figured why risk it? In this drawer, I just have all of his muslin swaddles. And then in here, I have all little baby hats. The rest of the hats are in his bag that are going to go to the hospital, but those are just some backups. All right, and then in this drawer, I have all of his newborn clothes, so not too many. I think we did maybe like 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I have a few in the hospital bag. I probably have like 10 to 12 just of those zipper play suits, whatever you call them, pajamas for him. And then I have 3 short sleeve onesies, 2 pairs of pants. This is like a little shirt outfit, and then a couple of nice outfits. He's getting baptized pretty quickly after he's getting born, so I have that outfit down there, and then this is just like kind of a nice little cute outfit. So yeah, not too many newborn clothes. I do still need to clean all of his 0 to 3, and he has definitely a lot more 0 to 3. A lot of these were gifts and things that I got at my sprinkle, which was nice. I just got these at Target. They were on clearance. So I need to clean all of this, and that's probably pretty important. I need to do that like really soon. This drawer is just linens. These are bassinet sheet covers. Those are just some blankets. I haven't cleaned these yet. I really like the Burt's Bees crib sheets, but I saw these and I thought they were cute, so I haven't decided if I'm keeping them yet. So the thing is still on here because I just haven't decided. And then this one is just a mess. This is like a catch-all of just like things, like formula samples that we've gotten, some little toys. So just some little things in there. So over here, this is the only floor length mirror that we have in the house, and we really don't have another wall for it. Right now it's just leaning up against it. It's definitely not going to stay there. I do have some acrylic shelves that are that box underneath the dresser that I was going to hang up. Maybe my husband can hang them up this weekend for his books. And then I'm kind of trying to decide what to do about that mirror. I might put it behind the door over here, but I also don't love that idea either. So we might, I don't know if we're gonna get rid of it or just put it in the shed or something, and you know, hopefully we can put it somewhere in the future. But I'm kind of just holding on to it till the last minute as well, because we just don't have another big mirror like that in the house. So that's that. That's why it's kind of just awkwardly there in the corner. I just got this hamper from Home Goods. It's like a nice plastic one. I definitely recommend getting a plastic hamper for a children's room, for a baby room. You're putting so many like damp burp rags and bibs and all that kind of stuff in the hamper, and you are doing laundry, to be fair, like constantly, so they really don't have an opportunity to get moldy. But I don't know, as you're doing laundry like a little bit more sporadically, I don't know, I just kind of prefer a plastic hamper. So that's my thoughts on that. You guys have seen this painting. This has been in all of my homes. So since I started my YouTube channel, you've definitely seen this picture. It's just kind of made its rounds. So it's huge. I don't know if you can tell how big it is. It's really big, but it's just from Kirkland. But I just love it. I just think it's a really nice, calming picture. It feels nice. It has really nice texture to it, and it has like this linen, like burlap trim that I think really plays on the kind of coastal-ish vibe that I'm going for in here. So we just put it above his changing table, and I think it looks really nice. So yeah. And then did I talk about the top of this over here? I got this little basket recently from Target. It's part of the Hearth and Hand Chip and Joanna Gaines line at Target. This is the smallest size that they have, and just got it because I thought it was really cute. I like the little faux leather accent for his toys. And then this is, both of these pieces are actually also from Hearth and Hand this season. They have this cute little rubber ducky, not rubber ducky, wooden ducky and clock that I thought was really sweet. So that's just there for decoration. And then his DockATot. And then I also put a changing pad cover over this. And doing this worked out really well for Ellie too. Obviously supervised and everything, but helps with cleaning. So that is that. Sorry if you... One of our favorite packages arrived the other day, a play kit from Lovevery. I can't tell you guys how much we love Lovevery, and if you've been watching my channel for any period of time, then you guys know how much we just absolutely adore these play kits. Wow. Here's Ellie unboxing the newest play kit. This one is called The Helper, and it is going to be perfect for where she's at right now. If you are new to Lovevery, it is a company that provides stage-based play essentials for your little ones, ages 0 through 4, and they have a play kit subscription option. So with that, every 2 to 3 months or so, you'll get a new box of playthings, and the products are designed by experts to make sure all of the playthings are exactly what you and your little one needs, and just at the right time. The subscription is so easy. All you do is go online on their website, and I'll have it all linked down below. You'll put in your child's birth date and start picking out the play kit, and then choose the subscription plan you want, and that's it. It's so easy, and I promise your little ones will absolutely love it, and you will too. Wow. Good job, Ellie. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. What other color?
Green.
Green? Where does the green go? Good job. Very good. What other colors do you see? Green? Yeah. Good work, sweetie. Do you want to put your flowers in the pegs?
Yeah.
Watch this. Wow, those are so pretty.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, can you grab the flowers? Good job. Very pretty, Ellie.